Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to go ahead and look at the Christmas gifts that I received and a couple that I bought for myself. They're all gardening tools and gardening equipment essentially. So let's see what you got. So these I got for myself. So these are I wanted some leather gloves, something stronger than what I normally use. So I got these. I think they're really pretty. And then I also got this for myself. So these are long. These are also leather. I wanted something for when I prune my roses. I wanted something that's long, that covers at least up to my forearm. So it goes up here and I can adjust, I can tighten it. So I think this will be really nice when I'm pruning my roses, especially, or maybe other shrubs, or doing heavy duty work. So that's that. Okay, the rest are stuff that my family and friends got for me. So this is a bench, gardening bench, a garden kneeler. It's one of those that's a two-way. You can either kneel on it or you can sit. So I used to have one, but this is much nicer than what I had. So with this I can kneel, or I can flip it over and sit. Use it while sitting. And it has these pockets here, so I can put my tools. Put those, so that can go. Okay, goes there. This is far much nicer than what I had bought for myself a few years ago. It's actually very wide as well, so this is nice. Okay. The next thing is this toolbox, which is actually really nice because I was putting my tools in either an old Folgers coffee jug, or I put them in old potting, old planters. So this is from Kama. Is that how you pronounce it? Not sure, but I think this is really nice. And it comes. Oh, come here. Okay, I see. There's an A. All right. Oh, very nice gloves. Oh, these are really nice. This is nice. So we have this. It's tactile. This is really nice. Okay. Then the tools that comes with it. Let's see. Oh, so we have a trowel. Oh, and this is sharp. Let's see, has blades. It's nice. Okay, let's put this up here. Oh, let's see. Tiny cultivator, also sharp as well. These are really thoughtful gifts. I'm really grateful for what I received. Oh, this is a different one. Oh, this was a wider one. Let's see. This one. Let's see. Okay, this is actually a planter. It has the gradations for when you're digging up to 4 inches. This is really nice. Okay. Oh, this is a sickle. Looks like a sickle. Yeah. Oh, this is nice. This is if I want to cut grass. I have some ornamental grasses. And chop it right there, or on this side as well. This is nice. And let's see. This is a weeding tool right here. Yeah, this is a weeding tool. Oh, don't break it. It's a weeding tool. Put the weed right here and take it off. Okay, this is really nice. I like this. And there's a note in here. May your garden be filled with vibrant blooms and lush greenery, bringing you joy and tranquility. Oh, see? This is really sweet. Wow. Okay. I really love these things. All of these. Okay. Let's see this box right here. So this is another set, gardening set. Let's see. Here's a bag. Ooh, is it a harvest bag? Okay. I can maybe put my harvest or put my tools. Has tools. Has pockets. Really pretty. And purple is my favorite color. So this is really nice. My niece got me a gardening hat. It's pretty cool. I always use the straw hats, but I've wanted one of these to cover my neck, especially in the summer heat. So this is actually awesome. This is perfect. Okay, put this in here. This also, we have another set of gloves, another set of gardening gloves. How fun. These are more lightweight. Oh, because it's breathable. Wow. But very tactile, like these. Okay. This is a misting bottle, spray bottle. I'll probably use this with my indoor plants if I need to mist to add some to increase humidity for my plants. This is good. Oh, even for starting my seeds. You'll be seeing this when I start my seeds. Excellent. Okay. Then a whole bunch of gardening tools. Oh, look at this. Look at the roses. Look at how pretty this is. So that's the cultivator. Let's put it here. This is another trowel. See? Oh, you have a pruner. Awesome. My current pruner has rusted. I need to clean it out, but maybe I'll just use a new one instead of cleaning the other one out. Look at that. Oh, this is nice. It's a bypass pruner. See? Bypasses this. So that's a bypass pruner. It's really nice. And it stops right there. Right there. There's a safety latch right there. So to keep it safe. Oh, another planter. It's pretty. Like this, and the grips are really nice. These are really ergonomical, so these are good. Wait. Oh, this is another cultivator. Look at this. When I'm weeding, I can use this. And oh, another weed, another weeding tool. So this one is smaller than the other one. So this I can use for like smaller weeds, smaller pesky weeds. These are sharp. So okay. The weed goes right here, and you pull it out. Okay. And it also comes with a kneeler. Yeah, I can, if I don't want to carry the bench, I can just carry this and go and kneel somewhere and do my work. So wow, yeah, this is all really great. I got exactly what I wanted, and even beyond what I thought. Maybe I shouldn't have bought my own gloves because I was gonna get some, but we are now ready for the 2025 gardening season. All right, this was just a quick video to show you all the niceties that I got. Let's see. My tools, my hat, gloves, this spray bottle. I'll open this again. Okay. There we go. And my other gloves, I now have quite a number of gloves. But I go through lots of gloves, but hopefully these last. And then my other set of tools. And now that I have a toolbox, I'll be able to hopefully keep things organized. All right, I'll stop here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you all on the next one. Thank you. Bye.